Kitchen gadgets provide aesthetic value to a kitchen while also making meal preparation easier. Kitchens have become a delight to work in, with numerous innovative home devices available to home chefs. Not only are current goods being updated with smart technology, but fascinating new inventive kitchen gadgets are being introduced all the time. So, today, let's go over the 10 coolest kitchen tech in 2022. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Number 10. Samsung 4-door refrigerator with Family Hub. This is only one of Samsung's smart fridges that come with Family Hub and Bixby, the company's speech assistant. Family Hub is essentially a tablet screen embedded into your refrigerator door that also functions as a memo board, and you can all access it from your phones. In addition, the fridge includes a built-in camera, so if you're ever at the grocery store and wonder if you have enough eggs at home, you can simply take a look inside from your phone. Number 9. Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer. Due to its Wi-Fi functionality and smart features, the Cosori air fryer you are familiar with is now smarter. The Cosori air fryer is equipped with a wide range of great innovations, a ton of features, and excellent operation, making it ready to serve you for many years to come. You may take full use of this masterpiece by creating everything from lunch and supper alternatives to breakfast and midday snacks. Number 8. 2-slice high-speed smart toaster. Some smart kitchen appliances can significantly outperform a conventional version of the same product, improving your experience in the kitchen. Others use their intelligence more as a gimmick. The Revolution Cooking R182-slice high-speed smart toaster, which costs $299.99, combines elements of both. It quickly and evenly toasts almost anything, and the touchscreen allows you to adjust the toasting intensity to your preference. No matter how amazing it is, it's a $300 2-slice toaster. Number 7. Jura Cool Control Milk Cooler 0.6 liter. When making lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos, the Jura Capresso Cool Control Basic Milk Cooler is the ideal mate for your espresso machine. It allows you to enjoy preparing milk-based coffee drinks because it attaches directly to the milk piping on your machine. The Cool Control Basic holds 0.634 quarts, 0.6 liters, of milk and cools it to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, stabilizing and holding the milk at that temperature, which is ideal for maintaining the milk's freshness and readiness for generating silky milk froth and hot milk for your specialty drinks. Number 6. Aerogarden Harvest Indoor Garden. The Aerogarden promises to be an incredibly easy way to grow plants 5 times faster indoors than in soil. With hydroponics, you can grow more plants with a given amount of water in a smaller area than you could with traditional techniques. This device eliminates all of the guesswork involved in producing gourmet herbs inside and is essentially a tabletop hydroponic system that takes up 11 inches by 7.5 inches of countertop space. The Harvest model, or entirely organic indoor grow operation, is made to produce 6 non-GMO plants at a time without the use of any chemicals. Number 5. Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus. Along with its name, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus has another feature that sets it apart from other air fryers: it performs far better. This amazing air fryer has lately hit the market. It has established itself as a noteworthy innovation in the entire frying industry. With its large survey glass, interior light, and multi-purpose possibilities, the Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus will turn you into a pleased, energy-efficient cook. With numerous pre-set cooking options, including potatoes, hamburger, fish, prawns, chicken, hot, and dry, the Digital Air Fryer Plus boasts an impressively sophisticated display. Number 4. Vitamix Food Cycler. A green startup company called Food Cycle Science was established in 2011 with the goal of developing a device that would reduce food waste. To market and support its products, the company teamed up with blender juggernaut Vitamix in 2020. The Food Cycler FC50, the company's iconic product and the most recent iteration, continues to minimize household waste footprint while streamlining the laborious process of home composting. A third of the food produced globally is wasted, resulting in landfills producing the greenhouse gas methane. By reducing this component of the waste stream, the Food Cycler, an automatic composter, lowers food waste, mess, and odor by breaking down food to 1/10 of its original volume. Because of its small size, it may be placed wherever in your kitchen. There's even a quiet cycle. Number 3. BEV Cocktail Maker Machine. With the BEV by Black Plus Decker Cocktail Maker, you can unwind on the couch, host a dinner party, or throw a huge backyard barbecue. With the Cocktail Maker, you can quickly create custom drinks for any occasion. How it functions. Connect the 750 milliliters bottles of your preferred rum, whiskey, gin, vodka, and tequila as well as the provided water bottle to the Easy Load liquor system. From a growing selection of 40+ suitable Bartesian TM cocktail capsules, choose your beverage. They have genuine juices, extracts, and bitters in them. Next, pick the strength of your beverage from strong to mocktail. The BEV Cocktail Maker using barcode reading technology handles the rest. Every time you prepare a cocktail, the cocktail maker dispenses the right amount of each ingredient. Now, every drink fan may experience what it would be like to have a personal bartender in their home. Number 2. Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. The Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker is a stylish modern kitchen equipment. It has a capacity of 3 pounds of ice and can create 1 pound of ice each hour. This machine can be purchased with a side water tank that is easy to fill and allows you to generate more ice, and when the ice melts, water returns to the reservoir to be reused. The Opal 2.0 can make nugget ice in as little as 20 minutes, and you can even manage it with your phone with to Bluetooth connectivity. Number 1. Masterbuilt Bluetooth Digital Electric Smoker. One of the top methods to make delicious, tasty meat that will impress at your summer cookouts is to smoke it, but beginners may find charcoal smokers to be a little frightening. The Masterbuilt Bluetooth Digital Electric Smoker may be a more enticing choice if you're just starting to smoke because it has easy-to-use digital controls that allow accurate temperature control and a budget-friendly pricing, around $60. Can it, however, produce the same mouthwatering flavor as a charcoal smoker? That's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment on this video if you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.